The first thing you'll notice when you arrive in Crete is that the island's towns and villages have a flavor of all their own. You can't mistake them for anywhere else on any other island or the Greek mainland. From the quaint Venetian flavor of Chania and Rethymno in the west, to the bustle of Heraklion, the chief town, and to the subtropical beach paradise of Lasithin in the east, Crete's communities have managed to keep their unique identities against the onslaught of globalization. The smaller towns, such as Heraklion and Sphakia on the south coast, are very much in vogue with those who seek a little seclusion infused with a touch of local color. As for many villages in Crete, each has something special about it. Stick with us as we go into a lot more detail about many other attractions in Crete.